Hi there, viewers! You can't hear us because the TV is a bit loud, but we're going to have our first ever firework display. But even though it's nearly bedtime, or because we don't really want to do it outside because it's too cold, I'm going to use my famous rocket launcher to fire some firework pellets into the air to cause safe, fire retarded fireworks.
I burned a lot of satellite hours monitoring our movements.
Right, let's do this. On count of 3, you run up to the lights and turn them off. That means the fireworks will be easy to see. Okay? Okay. 1, 3, 4, 5. Fire! Thanks for putting the lights back on. No problem. But people, fireworks are dangerous. And if you ever find a firework, do not light it. Or leave it next to anything electrical. Because electric stuff can... It's on fire! Huh? Really? Ah! My foot's on fire! My foot's on fire! Ah!